Okay, here we are entering into Asia. Disney's Animal Kingdom. Headed toward Africa. See if we can watch the Lion King show before it ends. There's a cool photo pass option. Alright, take a look at those people over there. I think there's also a spot to get a Dole Whip here in Africa. So we're going to try to do that as well. Here's a look at Feathers Friends in Flight. That show's closed now for the day. We are in the later part of the day here. It's almost 5 o'clock. This is the one Disney park that does close sooner than the rest because kind of like a zoo. They gotta close early for the animals. Mr. Camel's chicken dumplings. Alright, here is a sweet. They got a Japanese shaved ice dessert there. Now here's another cool photo op. This is the backside of the Tree of Life. You see a lot of people are already posing for pictures.
That's the backside of that tree.
Some beautiful sights, lots of rivers and streams. Check out these squirrels. They're not afraid of humans. They're almost domesticated. I wouldn't recommend touching one though. Alright, here is a spot to get a Dole Whip. This is where we're